Hello compilers. Qwik 2.0. For those of you living under a rock, or you're simply tired of hearing the thousands of JavaScript frameworks, you probably haven't heard of Qwik. Well, Qwik is an open source web app framework that focuses on instant loading and resumability. Well, meet 2.0. Remember when we wrote a Qwik component like this? And then Qwik did this? Voila! Now in Qwik 2.0, they removed the comment nodes. Right? Right? Wrong. Qwik still needs to have the virtual nodes, so that information can't actually disappear. But it has been now shrunk down. Okay. I know what you're asking. What are the advantages? By shifting the encoding of the virtual nodes to the end, Qwik can now perform additional tree shaking of the data. Because Qwik has seen all the components in the application at this point, it can safely apply heuristics and remove unneeded data. For example, it can drop the virtual nodes and the IDs. Still, Qwik would determine that no code path would require structural change, and hence it would determine that these virtual nodes are not needed and remove them. This will further decrease the amount of HTML being sent, and because the new encoding uses depth first index, no additional unneeded IDs are left behind. Basically, Qwik wanted to let y'all know that they heard you, they are listening, and they care. Well, the most common feedback they got was, you want more Qwik ecosystem projects like a component library, you want Qwik to feel more like a community project, you want even more activities on the core framework. And they highlighted this, which means they are listening. So you should expect this for the future of Qwik.